kids. We are the Gummy Kids TV. Here you will learn and have fun. Can you please help us to reach 200,000 subscribers to unlock Gummy so that we can play with Gummy? He is kind and cheerful. Please like, subscribe to our channel, and share our videos. Soon you will be rewarded. Thank you.
Hello kids, can you help me to play this octopus puzzle? Yes, let's go. Hello, let's see your moves. Let's see your moves. Oh no, that is wrong. Good. That is wrong. That is great. Next move, please. Next move, please. That is not the right place. Okay, that is right. Wrong. Yes, good job, kids. No, try it again. Very good. Nice move, kids. No, try it again. Yes, we are close. Oh, that is wrong. Woohoo! Last 2 blocks. Yes, very good. And last. Yes, good job, kids. Thank you for playing. See you again. Yes, good job, kids. Thank you for playing. See you again.